Hello guys, this is subtraction or the subtraction operator in Python, and the subtraction operator is what we use to perform subtraction on numbers, and it is represented with the minus sign. And whenever we want to take away a quantity out from another quantity, we use the subtraction operator in programming, just like we learn in our math class. So let's look at how it is done, examples of how it is done in coding. This is the example, and we have three examples under the example 1.2. Example 1 said 4 minus 2, of course the output is 2. 6 minus 4, the output is 2. 47 minus 8, the output is 39. So let's look at the exercises on subtractor or the subtraction operator. The exercise say fill in the blank spaces. Exercise 1, 12 minus 2, you fill in the results. 2, that is exercise 2, 8 minus 4, you write the answer or put it in the comment section if it is reaching you through a social handle. 3, 12 minus 8, you put the answer. Thank you.